Hello iPhone users, it is a feature of your calculator in your phone, iPhone basically. So you have to open your iPhone calculator, right? You can search it or directly see it in the screen. And now you have to type any number, right? You can do anything, right? There in this calculator we don't have option of deleting a number. We just have to tap on clear directly, the C option, right? So what you're going to do is, if you want one digit to reduce, you want to remove it, how you do that? You just have to slide it right or left in your phone. So right now I slided it to right, and see my numbers, the digits are decreasing. And that is how we use this slide feature, right? So I'm just showing you examples, but it is only done when the number is not calculated. If the number is calculated, then this won't be applicable to this. So only when you are entering a digit, right, a number, right, only then it is possible when you swipe left or right. So that is how we do it. Try it out in your iPhone calculator and let me know if it is helpful or not. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!